Hello and welcome to another edition of Digital Data Design's video blog. Today we're going to take another look at advanced photo features within ServiceM8. The first aspect we're going to cover is advanced photo branding. Let's dive into a job, and I see here in the checklist that there's a photo needed to take. So let's go ahead and take that photo. Alright, there we have it. And now it's attached to the job. I can see that in the job diary that it's there. Perfect. Alright, we have our photo attached to the job. After we have the advanced photo feature add-on enabled, we're ready to go. Once we're looking at our job, we're ready to start sending an email to our client and attaching the photo. This can be done either from the web interface or from the mobile interface. The process looks the same. I'm just simply looking at the job, creating a new email, and using our attachments to grab the photo that's attached to the job. After this has been sent off, what the customer receives is their new email. When they look at that email, they're going to see the photo, and if they look in the corner of that photo, they're going to see all those branding items already attached, ready to go. This adds a lot of great functionality, not only for when they're raving with their friends and family about the job you did. This also gives you a timestamp, a date, any bits of information to that photograph that really identify when and why that photo was taken. Now let's move on to the next aspect of our video today, which is going to talk about creating a job from an inbound email with a photo attached, utilizing the email inbox tool within ServiceM8. Now there are several ways of using this add-on, and I would definitely recommend heading over to ServiceM8's support page about it. For our example today, we're going to introduce you to our first FileMaker tool designed for ServiceM8. This is a simple tool that lets you capture the basic information about your client while you're in the field. This tool is originally intended for customers. We're still debating on if the services you provided were going to be required. This allows you to capture their basic information, notate the important items, and hold that until the customer is ready to move forward, regardless of if you had an internet connection or not. This tool is also highly customizable. Just like the one we're using today, we've added a simple photo field so that way you can add items to it. However, we can completely customize this to fit your specific needs as well. Once you've gathered the key information, you can update the job description as well to remind you what the customer requirements were. And then you can add other things like we have here for a photograph. Now this could be a photo. It could also be an attachment of any kind, a PDF for example. But we're going to use the photo for this. Now down here at the bottom we have a place for your custom ServiceM8 inbox email address. So we would just simply transcribe that in here to make sure it all matches. And now we're ready just simply to hit send. When we do, we can see in our ServiceM8 inbox that we have a new email message. When we open it, we can click on our new email, see all the information is there and intact, and we have an option to convert this job. When we do, we'll see our new job already populated with all the data that we gathered, even with our photo attached. We see that's there, perfect, excellent, and there we are. We have our new job created with our ServiceM8 inbox add-on and with our photo attached. Lastly, I wanted to show you a way of using photos of your staff and team to put your customers at ease as to who is coming to their home, all while using ServiceM8 to let them know when to expect them. To start using this feature, you'll simply need to check into your job. When you do, it will automatically notify your client that you're on your way. If you have a Navigate to Job SMS template enabled on your account, that text will also want to be sent. Your client will receive an SMS letting them know who is coming and their ETA, with a link to a page that will give them a map view, something like this. If you have a Navigate to Job SMS template, they would receive a secondary SMS message similar to this that you could add a link to another page. Here's a client of ours from Canada, Albright Glass and Tint. They're using a site called ReviewBuzz, but this could just simply be your website that has a listing of all your staff, or however you would like to display it. This gives your client a real peace of mind knowing who is coming to their home, and if possible, a listing of reviews for your staff member. If you were curious, Our first FileMaker tool for ServiceM8 is freely available from our website. Take a moment to go to dddesign.com, go to our ServiceM8 page and check it out, as well as don't forget to like this video on social media. That does it for this edition. Thank you for spending a little bit of time with us, and hopefully you learned a little bit more about ServiceM8. If you're not currently using ServiceM8, head over to ServiceM8.com where you can find out more about it. You can also head over to our website, dddesign.com, where you'll be able to create a free account with ServiceM8, and when you do, you'll also receive a $50 job credit just for doing so. We also offer a number of other tools, so do visit our contact page, send us an email, shoot us a text, give us a call. We're here to partner with you.